Hi everyone, my name is raohamzatariq, and in this video we will learn that what is the uh, agent skills and why the agent skill is so important in the Hermes agent, because the agent skill is one of the greatest feature of the Hermes agent. So far we have set up Hermes with Docker, connected Suabase and hooked it up to the Slack. But there is a one feature that makes a Hermes agent different from the basically every other AI agent out there. It teaches itself. I've already discussed that the Hermes agent teach itself and improve over day by day. So today I'm breaking down the skill system, how the Hermes writes its own skill after solving a problem, and how it stored them and how it improved them over time. So Hermes goes from the generic AI assistant on a day one to the personalized agentic modes after the two. So now, first of all, we have to understand what is the agent skills. Agent skill is basically the specifications we write in a file, and then we use that file to instruct the agent again and again. In this uh, diagram, you can see in this infographic, you can see the difference between the skills and memory. So most people confuse skills with the memory. So skills is just like the usable intelligence. It's the files you create as an instruction to give the agent again and again because of the repetitive task. But the memory, on the other hand, is just like the your context, fact, or project state you want to store. For example, you said, "My name is Hamza." So agent store it in your memory. But you said that I make some website by using these techniques. So so the agent make a skills and use that skill in the future whenever you want to make the same type of website. So this is a difference between the agent's skills and the memory. So now we will demonstrate some practical things. So you can see that how the Hermes use the age skills and how skills help for a task. You just go to the first go to the dashboard and go to this skill section. In the skill sections, you will see there is a lot of skills available right now. There's a multiple categories. You can see all of these. You can see the Airtable skill and block the recovery skill, box skill, plot code skill, plot design skill, and there is a multiple plot skill which is already given by the Hermes. You can uh, on and off the all skills, or if you want some specific, you can also on the specific skills. In the browser hub, you can install more skills which is not included in this Hermes right now. Now, I will give some tasks to the agent to understand that how this will work. So, I'm just saying that please fetch the report of the only latest post and give me the latest row of the sales tables and send me to the report. Now it is overviewing skills of PDF to make a PDF. It is overviewing the Hermes Gate home channel, so you can understand what is the home channel of the spec. And it is doing a lot of things. You can see it has to perform the task. Hermes configure get platform called Slack. It has if you can see in this picture, in this video, in the screen, you can see the method or the flow the how much you can carry. Now it is asking permission to allow this session. So it is taking some time to make a PDF and then send me. Yeah, it has sent the PDF to the Slack or give me some report. Now the Slack will see I have received the PDF file in the Hermes agent right now. And open this Slack in this PDF file. Now you can see there's a report. So you don't need to go to the any other AI agent. You just have to set up these Hermes which can handle all things. Now go back to the Hermes agent. Now giving an instruction to make the skill of this. So if I want this type of report, So I don't need to tell the agent, instruct the agent again and again about the full procedure, right? So we will just in the future just say, yeah, give me the report of this sales, the report, give me a sales report, simple way. So it just give me a sales report. So now we're making the, yeah, we are making this skill. Now it's take some time and making the skills. Yeah, it has made the skills. So in the skill section, we are going to the skill section. We check either the skill has meaning or not. So in skill section, where the skill section, yeah, this is the skill section. Just click on the skills. Yeah, I think there's a category for this. I think we have to search it on a search. Okay. So now you have seen there's a skill has made. If you click on edit button, now you can see this is a file which our agent has written right now, and this contains all the instruction about the uh, about the procedure. Uh, so every time if I don't need to say it again and again. Now I will go to the Hermes agent. I made this Hermes testing channel. So now just give the attach the Hermes agent and give him an instruction to the give me a report. Send me the super base report. Super base sales report. So now it can understand the easily. So now I don't give the him period the proper instruction. It has given me a reply. So you can see that it is fetching only from the latest record. It is giving me a PDF file path, but has not given me a PDF. I don't know why. I think it's because the Hermes agent is, yeah, Hermes agent has given me the report on my personal board, not in a channel, because I have not given him giving it the permission to the channel. So that's why it is unable to upload or send me the file at the time. So just close this thread, and you can see if I check if this report is valid or not. So you can see the report is completely okay, and it is similar to the previous one, because our skill has defined all the rules that we only want 20 rows. Now go back to our messaging. You can also see the Slack in the skill section. So in this skill section, I just want to show you that it's you can add multiple skills if you want. For example, if you want to want to make an agent which has only capability to do some restricted tasks. You don't need to enable all the skills. You can disable the skills whatever you want. So in this way, you cannot provide all the functionality your summer set. So it's a very good thing. You can explore more skills. Just go to the Google or go to the plot and ask about the more skills. Now you have not watched our all videos, so we are making this complete playlist so you can just watch